I want to say something very, very frankly. Okay, we are one of the most religious countries in the world. Okay, we worship our gods like anything, most of the people spend most of their time just, and we are always talking. Look at the imagery of Ram and Krishna, our goddesses, all the saints. They are so full of compassion, empathy. We are the people who gave birth to Buddhism, so much full of empathy. Jainism, full of empathy. I mean, to the extent that you can't kill animals. A country where the ethos, the value system is based on karuna, daya, empathy, or enabling and empowering the deprived. You know, in that country, why our attitude towards differently abled people, people don't have a leg or a hand or eyes, or why, or if you are dark, why the society treats them so badly and humiliates them is beyond my comprehension.
Even I myself don't understand it, because mostly people have a very closed mind. That's a very big issue. Some people don't have patience. They just don't want to deal with these things. You are a very patient person. You've been very patient with me, and very few people have such a large heart. And these people can have, if your heart is dirty, you can never have patience.
I have a different point of view. I'll explain. You tell me whether you agree with me or not. A person who chews tobacco, okay, he spits everywhere. If you go to any building in India, every building on the stairs, near the elevators, spitting, spitting, spitting. Same person, uneducated or educated, doesn't matter. Even if he's a very poor person, auto rickshaw driver, or somebody who we say is not civilized and sophisticated, even that person, take him to a 5-star hotel, doesn't spit. Because he knows that there are repercussions of spitting here. It won't be tolerated. Right? Right? So it means that when you have very strict rules, regulations and discipline, and attitude that this is something is not allowed here, people follow rules. Okay, the same person who doesn't stand in a queue in India for a train or a bus, the moment he lands, whoever lands in Europe, they start standing in a queue after 1 or 2 days. I believe that this responsibility of attitude towards deprived people, or physically disabled people, or deaf people, or blind people, lies on the state, the government and the law enforcement agencies. This is my personal point of view. Do you agree, or am I right, or am I wrong? Or maybe I am partially wrong or right. Please give me your views.
Yes, very good question. There's so many, we are about 1,500 million people. Government cannot manage everything. They cannot solve problems everywhere. So many issues. The government wants to do it, but sometimes it's just impossible. And there's so many state governments also. For example, there's a government department, okay? They should hire a deaf person for disability problems related to the deaf. So deaf people know what the problems are, right? So you hire such a person and let the deaf person work with the government. So in the US, they have deaf people who are working in the government. In Indian government system, everybody is hearing. So that is where we get stuck. Hearing people don't know anything about deaf issues. They just write on the paper, email this, that, that's it.
But Mr. Kejriwal, if government can have such strict laws for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe people, okay, that people are even misusing it today, why can't we have a simple law that any citizen who cheats or hurts or humiliates or make fun or use derogatory language or disrespectful language and gestures towards differently abled people or deaf people, then they will be penalized immediately without no questions asked? Why can't they do that?
There is a law which says it, but people are
There is a law?
ignoring it.
Tell me, what is the law?
RPWD Act.
Tell me in detail.
detail. So it's so the law says provide interpreters, provide captions, provide everything is mentioned in the law for the disability, for the deaf, blind, everyone. But private people are not following it. Government needs to be more strict. There has to be more advertisement about the law, more awareness about it. That is a big issue.
Can we do together to create awareness, collaborate and do something like that? No.
Possible. Will be very nice.
Okay.
Because everybody in our community knows you, you know, with Kashmir files and with Delhi files, everybody knows you. By doing this, you will automatically, people will see it and there will be more awareness and there will be a change for sure.
What?
I'm ready to work with you.
What is your guess? Okay, guess. Okay, what's your guess? If a deaf person goes to a local police station and says, you know, that shopkeeper or that person or that boy humiliated me and abused me, okay, what do you think how that police inspector or the cop is going to react? What is your perception?
They will not bother. So you know how.
Chances are they will also make fun of the deaf person.